Hi friend, this is Taposh and welcome to this video. So in this video, we will learn search engine optimization, SEO, with the help of ChatGPT. Not only ChatGPT, it is for every large language model. Like might be Copilot is there, Gemini is there, all the large language model. So how we can take the leverage of large language model and we can learn any kind of things, any kind of new things. So for this particular video, we will learn the search engine optimization, SEO. So what is SEO? SEO is, suppose you have one business, or I have one business. I want to promote some product, I want to sell some product, I want to create some brand awareness, I want to get some leads, I want to get some app download. सपोज मैं चाहता हूँ मेरा कस्टमर मेरा एक ऐप है वो ऐप डाउनलोड करे. सो दैट काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स, लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग वी कैन डू. So what happens, there are 2-3 kinds of work we can do. Suppose some paid ads we can follow. Paid ads, maybe Google ads, Facebook ads, LinkedIn ads, that kind of ads, Quora ads, that kind of ads are there. So those things will take those things will take you a lot of money. It takes a lot of money. So और एक है ऑर्गेनिक वे में. ऑर्गेनिक वे में करने से क्या होगा, सो एवरी डे यू नीड टू पोस्ट समथिंग एंड द क्वालिटी ऑफ कंटेंट शुड बी वेरी स्टैंडर्ड एंड प्रोफेशनल एंड एंगेजिंग एज वेल. ओके, सो सर्च इंजन ऑप्टिमाइजेशन ये भी एक ऑर्गेनिक वे में आता है. तो क्या होता है, सपोज आप लोग नोटिस किया कभी कभी, सपोज हम लोग गूगल में कुछ सर्च कर रहे हैं. सो ऑन द फर्स्ट पेज there may be 50 pages, there may be 100 pages. Okay, but suppose one topic we are searching on Google, so that time on the first page there are only 10-12 website or 10-12 article it comes. Okay, on the first page only. So why they come on the first page? Because of the SEO, because of the search engine optimization. So that is also an organic way, so that we can get a lot of customers, a lot of leads, a lot of sales, like that way. So there are some tips and algorithm also to use search engine to apply search engine optimization. Okay, so that topic we will learn from the help from ChatGPT, with the help of ChatGPT or any other large language model. So if you hire someone expert or specialist on this particular domain, so they will charge you a lot of money. Of course they will charge because they are professional on this, so they will charge it. So before going to them, what you can do is, you can take the inspiration, you can get the basic idea with the help of large language model like ChatGPT or any other large language platform. Okay, so before going to them, you can the beginner level, intermediate level, even the advanced level experience you can get with the help of large language model. So suppose, again I'm saying, suppose you have one business, you want to get some customer, you want to sell some product, you want to get some leads, so organically, without paying any money. Okay, so organically you want to build it. So in that case, you need to do search engine optimization, that is called SEO. Okay, so with the help of ChatGPT, for this particular video, with the help of ChatGPT, we will learn that how we can use how we can learn SEO with the help of ChatGPT. Okay, so whenever you are speaking with a large language model now, so that time what will happen, you need to communicate very carefully, very smartly, very professionally. You need to communicate, because all the large language model, they follow some pattern, they follow some algorithm, they follow some rule. There are some basic and best practices. So you need to follow those things so that you can communicate with the large language model. If you ask random question, ChatGPT or any other large language model, they will provide the random answer, but you don't need it. You need a specific professional answer so that you can be satisfied. Okay, so here I will use one prompt that is one of the advanced prompt, advanced pattern actually. So this is called gameplay pattern. Gameplay pattern means, suppose we will tell ChatGPT, hey ChatGPT, let's play a game. We will play a game on this subject, on this topic. So then we will provide that subject, we will provide that topic. So you are an expert and I am a beginner. I don't know anything about SEO. Or I have basic understanding of SEO, or I know a little bit about SEO, and you are the experienced person. Suppose you have 10 years experience or 20 years experience on this domain. So now let's play a game. We will discuss this subject. You will ask me the question, I will provide the answer, and then you will review my answer. If I give it incorrect answer, if I provide incorrect answer, you will correct the answer. and then if it is possible, you will give me the better answer as well. Like that way, I want to practice with you every day half an hour, every day 1 hour, every day 20 questions you will ask, every day 10 questions you will ask. So what will happen is we will communicate like that way. Suppose is your opponent person, he is expert on 10 years, 10 years he or she is doing SEO only, or 20 years they are doing the SEO, they are expert specialist on it, and I don't know anything about SEO. So now the communication will happen, and we will play on that subject SEO, and now I will improve my skill because I am a beginner, I don't know anything about SEO. Now I will improve. How because ChatGPT, as an experienced SEO specialist, they will ask me the question and I will provide the answer. So here is the example. The example is that pretend that you are a SEO expert within depth knowledge of optimizing websites for search engines. Okay, so now I am providing a role to ChatGPT. That role is SEO expert. Okay, and now I am telling about myself. I am your trainee. So in your case, it might be different. You can say I have little knowledge, I have basic understanding about SEO, or I am an expert one already. Okay, so that kind of anything you can, based on your state, you need to write. So now I am your training. I want to learn how to improve website rankings using SEO techniques. Okay. Now you will now I am giving the task. You will ask me questions one after another to help me understand SEO concepts, tools, and strategies. Okay. I will answer your question. You will review my answer, correct it, and then provide a better response if it is available. Then you will ask me the next question. Now every day you will ask me 20 questions. Every day we will practice 20 minutes. Every day we will practice 1 hour. Every day you will ask me 50 questions. Okay, so ask me the first question. So I think you have understood the thing, you have understood the concept. So you will ask me the question, I will provide the answer, you will review it. If it is incorrect, if it can be better, so you will give me that answer, and then you will again ask me the next question. So like that way I will specialize the SEO. Okay, so let me copy this prompt and let's go to ChatGPT. So this is the interface of ChatGPT. Let me take a fresh page. Okay, so now I will paste it. Now after, see, here it is. Pretend that you are a SEO expert with in-depth knowledge of optimizing websites for search engines. Okay, I am your trainee. I want to learn how to improve website rankings using SEO techniques. You will ask me questions one after another to help me understand SEO concept, tools, and strategies. I will answer your question. You will review my answer, correct it, and provide a better response if it is available. Then you will ask me the next question. Every day you will ask me. Suppose instead of 20, I am writing 5. In your case it might be different, it may be 100, it might be 50. Okay, so now let's press enter. Now see how ChatGPT responds. Great, let's dive into SEO. Here is the first question. So the first question ChatGPT is asking, what do you understand by the term search engine optimization SEO, and why it is important for a website? And now it is your turn, it is saying. Okay, so I whatever I understand I will write. What is your understanding by the term search engine optimization? When I will say, when customer will search something on Google, my web page or website will come automatically on the first page of Google. So my understanding is, when customer will search something on Google, something relevant, based on my product or based on my some subject, something relevant. Again, when a customer will search, let me correct it. When a customer searches for something relevant on Google, my web page or website will come automatically on the first page of Google. So that is, suppose that is my understanding. So now see, if it is correct, then okay. If it is not correct, ChatGPT will provide me the better answer. See, you are on right track, but what is it? You are on right track, but let me refine your answer to make it more accurate. So corrected answer is, search engine optimization is the process of optimizing a website or a web pages to improve their visibility on search engine results pages, ACRPS. Okay, when users search for relevant keywords, it okay, it involves techniques like keyword optimization, quality content creation, and technical enhancements to rank higher organically. Okay, without paid ads. As I told already, without paying, you can get the customer automatically, organically. You can get. SEO is important because it helps drive organic traffic to your website, increase brand visibility, and improves credibility with users and search engines like Google. Let's move the next question. So I think you have got the idea now. You have got the idea. So I have, based on my understanding, because I don't know anything about search engine or SEO. So now that is what I already informed ChatGPT that I don't know anything about SEO. I will provide the answer. It is correct, but you will refine that answer whether it is correct or wrong. If it is correct, then okay. If it is not correct, you will provide me the better answer. So now, as of now, I have understood that what is the actual meaning of search engine optimization and how it works, and the importance of why it is important for a website. That is the thing I have understood. I didn't know anything, but now I know something. At least 1% I know. Now it is asking the next question: what are the key concept components of SEO? Can you name a few? Sorry, I don't know. I will say sorry if I don't know it. Sorry, I don't know. Please explain. Please. So the subject, it is I don't know. So if you know it, it is correct. If you don't know it, you can say sorry, I don't know. Please explain. Let's see what happens. No worries. Let me explain the key components of SEO. See, this actually, that is your teacher. ChatGPT is your teacher. Suppose ChatGPT is my teacher. I want to learn SEO. I am telling ChatGPT, sorry, I don't know it. So that now the teacher is saying, okay, don't worry about that. I will explain. It happens with our teachers, right? Whenever we are in student, that time if we say sorry teacher, we don't know it, so teacher always explain that thing, right? So this is the way. No worries, let me explain the key components of SEO. On page SEO, off page SEO. Okay, off page SEO. Okay, technical SEO, content, user experience, all these things. Now I have understood what are the components of SEO. Now I have understood, because I am learning SEO. I don't know anything about, so now I am learning. So now these are the components. Okay, now got it. Can you explain what keywords are and why they are important in SEO? So now I will say, can you explain what keywords are and why they are important in SEO? By that keyword, I'll say with that keyword, I can rank on first page of Google. Suppose this is my understanding. Okay, maybe wrong, maybe right. Okay, let's see what happens. You are touching on the role of keywords, but let's make it more comprehensive. Okay, So I have just touched it. It is not a detailed and comprehensive answer. So now ChatGPT is giving me the comprehensive answer. Correct answer is keywords are specific words or phrases that users type into search engines when looking for information, products and services. They are important in SEO because they help search engines understand what your content is about by strategically using relevant keywords in your website's content, meta tags and hashtags. You can align your sites, you can align your sites with user searches. So now improve your chances of ranking higher on the first page of search engine results, effective keyword research. So these are the things. So I think you have got the idea. Suppose you are learning such SEO, or you have some basic idea about SEO, or you have some intermediate level understanding, you can master that subject with the help of ChatGPT or any other large language model. But the thing is, you have to learn how to write an effective prompt, how to speak with those large language model. That is more important, because if you provide a random question, it will provide you a random answer. But if you want to get some specific professional and standard answer, so you need to write your prompt very wisely, very effectively. Okay, so I think you have got the idea how we can use ChatGPT for learning anything, especially for learning SEO. Okay, so like that way you can continue till 50 questions, till 100 questions, till 20 questions, or if you say for half an hour I will practice, so that also you can do, no problem. Okay, so that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video. And the same time, if you want to master ChatGPT, how to write an effective prompt, then you can check out the course, that is ChatGPT prompt engineering mastery course. Very detailed and detailed course. Here I have used only one prompt. That kind of prompt you will get, that kind of prompt pattern you will get more than 27 26 patterns are there. So more than 200 plus videos are there. So if you want to master how to write an effective prompt, so you can enroll that course. At the same time, if you want to get 10,000 plus premium and advanced ChatGPT prompts, that is also available. So you can check out that thing. You just copy it, paste it, and replace your content based on your requirement, based on your requirement and all those things, and you will good to go. Okay, so that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.